up the Just Massive and crew. Almost saying, I saw me they pray, and saw me they say, my bang gonna say him go do one for me. He said, I may be head or no be. Tell you, now the promise we gotta give. Tell me who be the man who won't block my way? Who be the woman who won't block my way? Big up on the Just Massive and crew. It's me, myself, your friend, your brother, the one and only MANFESTO, aka the netete king. I'll be hitting you live and direct in the city of Madrid live on the 7th of September in IKU VBE Ogie Volume 2. It's gonna be an exciting night. It's gonna be fun all day long. We've got great artists in the house. We're giving you laughter to the fullest. We're giving you entertainment to the fullest. It's a night of 1,000 laughs in the city of Madrid. This is the second episode. I'm sure you're gonna love it because the first was a great one. Certainly it's gonna be greater this time. Massive and crew is Bright Up Production that is bringing it live and direct to your doorstep. MANFESTO is gonna be in the building. Live, you know how they do now. Call your landlord, call your landlady, call your boyfriend, call your girlfriend. In fact, call everything friend. Bring all of them. Come. It's gonna be a bumper package. Osawa woman, no game mogido, I love you are me love you are now. No game mogido, Iyaki me yemeo, ala duna. Okay, now I'll go see that.